Welcome to Speak Like Shaf, my series of vlogs where I turn you into a business expert who even knows the lingo. Ever felt out of your depth when talking about the economy, running a firm or setting up a startup? Don't worry, I'm here to explain all those puzzling phrases. Today we are looking at what a freemium is in business and how it can help you. The word, a mashup of free and premium, is simply a business model that offers customers basic services for free and more advanced services which they pay for. Jared Lucan of the corporate info company Alacra coined it in 2006. The actual concept has been around for far longer though. In fact, it goes as far back as Stone Age times. Yup, you heard me right. We've met caveman entrepreneur Rab the Rockstar in earlier Speak Like Shaf videos. He set up his company manufacturing tools to help better hunters than him catch prey. Poor Rab wasn't the most talented hunter, but he was a very talented entrepreneur. He turned sticks and flint into spears, bows and arrows. At first, he let the hunters use his basic tools for no cost, and in return he got a share of their catch. He then gave them a choice. They could stick with the basic plan or start paying for more complicated and premium tools, which would obviously result in a better haul of prey. If they paid for his tools, he wouldn't take any of their catch. Easy choice if you were a hunter. They all started paying for better tools, and Rab's business was booming. These days, companies use a freemium business model to attract customers and gain their loyalty. If a customer likes and uses the service when it's free, they are likely to take the step up and start paying for it. It's been particularly popular with tech companies. Computer software and gaming firms will let customers use the basic entry-level service for free and hope they will be happy to be charged for upgrading to better packages. Two recent examples are Skype and Spotify. Skype software is free to use for instant messaging or making video calls with any other user. It's a superb way for businesses to carry on working face-to-face even if colleagues or clients happen to be on different continents. Charges come in when users want to make voice calls to landlines. And music service Spotify is free to use, but you will get adverts and limited features. If you upgrade to a premium for $9.99 a month, which, let's face it, is highly likely, you'll have access to 50 million songs and better features. Offering customers freemium terms is a great way of getting them to be loyal to your business. And while we're on the subject of loyalty, I'd love if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's full of great business advice and it won't cost you a penny. Hit subscribe and check out all my other videos. There's a special recommended video coming up for you just now.